Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from College Dunia. Today I am at Gokul Global University, which is located in Siddhpur, Gujarat. Today we are having with us Dr. Ved Vyas sir. He is a provost and vice chancellor in Gokul Global University. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunia. Hello sir.
Hello.
So starting with the questionnaire session, sir. My first question to you is, being the vice chancellor of Gokul Global University, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
Yeah. Thank you so much, College Dunia, for interacting and giving opportunity to Gokul Global University, Siddhpur District, Patan, Gujarat State, Bharatvarsh, for interacting with you. As you asked, leadership. Leadership means giving the credit to the team for any kind of successes and achievements and attainments, while giving them opportunity to be trained for any kind of lacuna or the kind of skill they don't have. Gokul Global University, being managed by Gokul Foundation Trust, got established in March 2018 by the Gazette of Government of Gujarat, and it follows all the norms and regulations set by Ministry of Education, Government of India, whether it is UGC, it is any council. And based on their guidelines and their norms, the university leadership is working for the betterment and upliftment of the students and all other stakeholders of the university, whether it is students, it is staff members, it is visitors, it is the students of undergraduate or postgraduate or PhD. So leadership is a very widespread and quite big responsible position, where we are dreaming of seeing that our students get fully trained for the kinds of demands and requirements and needs of 21st century, where our students can perform the best, whether it is job, it is entrepreneurship, whether it is their self-learning or any kind of other association. But ultimately, the leadership aim here at Gokul Global University is to see that the living standard of the society gets raised, and the people live with peace and security and 100% safe life and comfortable life. Thank you.
Very well said, sir. So moving ahead to the next question, sir. The education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. So in your experience, what can an inbound students gain from studying here in your university?
Right. Very well said, and a very good question it is. It is not for the educational institutions, but it is for all of us, because we all are ultimately there to contribute for the society, nation, and the world, because health and education, learning, and all kinds of other facilities which are there at Gokul Global University, they are going to lead our students from the local to global, what the government of India also dreams of. We are trying to optimally utilize the local resources available over here, whether it is environment friendly atmosphere over here, man resources, whether it is learning resources, all kinds of local resources are being utilized. We are tying up with the industry which can fulfill the needs of our students, though they have not yet passed their graduation and undergraduation, but they can get good soft skill training so that our students can meet the requirements of the international bodies. Here we are giving them very good culture, highly sophisticated skill, discipline, punctuality. Our students are having latent talent, oceans of talent they have inside their brain. Only the main hurdle for them is the English communication, say, because they are coming from the rural areas, villages, and other backgrounds, Gujarati medium. So our students are being prepared, being trained for meeting the international requirements of standard universities, of say top 200 universities. We are also adopting and trying to be adaptable to the international syllabi curriculum, so that our students can get the training for real-time practical solutions, for real-time applications as well. We have tied up with more than 46 industries and organizations where our students go for internship. They go there to learn their culture. They can understand the 21st century demands and requirements of the company as well. So the national level new education policy 2020 has just come up, and we are trying to implement on the multilingual ground. Say at least 4 languages our students must know. They can speak in Gujarati, English, Hindi, and other one more foreign language, say French or German and some other language. So we are trying to meet because NIRF and SIRF are the 2 schemes where accreditation and other things are required. So once we are accredited, because we are recognized and approved by all councils and other apex bodies, so we are nowhere less than the international and other premium institutions of the country as well as to the world. Thank you.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir. So on that note, my next question to you is, what would you like people to know about your university that they may not know?
Right. As I told, Gokul Global University is a very young university. Though we are very young, and our students here studying, our first batch is going to pass out. Our so many activities, say cultural activities, skill-based activities, our teaching, our academic quality, our research, our patentization, our resources in the faculties, say laboratories, our this library, e-facilities. We are going for ICT. You might be surprised to know that during these pandemics, we facilitated with more than 7,000 video lectures. And our all 650 teaching faculty members, they are preparing the notes in soft copy. They are preparing the video lectures. We have very good studio where we are recording these videos and we are passing it to our students. Day to day, we are connected with the students, their parents, and we counsel them on the mentor and mentorship basis, so that our students even at home can learn the best, though they are not in the campus. In the campus, we have all kinds of facilities to promote the students' openness, 100% transparent policy. We do not have any kind of other charges, say more than 50% fee we are waiving for the students to help them to come out of this critical situation of COVID crisis, and many more things, because our trust, Gokul Foundation Trust, they are having such big the aim and goal to serve the society from all the 360-degree corners of the world. So and many more things are there in the university. The day you come over here, you visit the campus, lush green campus, no pollution, no radiation, no ragging, 100% environment friendly atmosphere, earn and learn atmosphere. People coming over here from across the world as visitors. We have so many international talks which are being delivered as a part of learning to our students on regular basis. We organize job fairs, and even not for our students, but the job fair is being organized for the 10th and 12th standard students also, even for ITI students, and many good companies like MRF and say Wellspun and many more research organizations are also coming over here. Our students are working at international organizations in various sectors, and in government and non-government organizations as well. Thank you.
So coming to the next question, sir, what do you see as Gokul Global University's greatest strength?
Greatest strength.
Yes.
Everything over here is greatest, and anything you see, you touch, you feel, you understand over here, whether it is a culture of academics, whether it is work culture, whether it is HR culture, whether anything, everything is excellent. and because we do not compromise with the quality. Whether our student service is concerned, whether our teaching part is concerned, laboratories are concerned, everything whatsoever we have and we are going to try for the future, everything is excellent. So we do not compromise with कि चलेगा चलता है. We do not compromise with that. So our system, internal system, examination system, excellent examination system we have, and as I told you, the motive of this Gokul Global University Siddhapur being sponsored by Gokul Foundation Trust, the motive is excellent, very human oriented culture we have. So I'm proud of uttering in front of you that we people working over here are 100% satisfied, and that is what is the characteristic of Center of Excellence at Gokul Global University Siddhapur.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
So, sir, jumping to the last question, what do you think should be the university's top priority over the next 10 years?
Right. See, immediately it's a little difficult to chart out the plan for next 10 years. But yes, next 2 years and then 2 years and then 2 years we can plan. Reason behind, there are so many changes happening now in the education system, because the variables in education sector are so many, and to measure the performance and the productivity of a higher education system is a complex system. Therefore, because there are so many levels, so many courses, undergraduate, postgraduate, PhD, postdoctorate, national, international, languages, so councils, so many councils are there. So our first priority is to implement NEP 2020, which recently has been published by and suggested by Government of India, Ministry of Education. The moment we go for implementation of NEP 2020, everything is going to be changed. So it will take about 2 years from our side, because we have to prepare the students, we have to prepare the staff members, we have to prepare the entire system over here, and that is not our priority, that is the priority of the entire education system in the country. UGC and Government of India has suggested that NAC is our foremost priority. So within these 2 years, we are going to have NAC. NAC accreditation enables our students and other associates to get good jobs, to get good funding, to get good reputation and branding in the market, in the society, and the people surrounding in the area of 20-kilometer radius are going to be benefited. The next priority is NIRF, national level ranking, state level ranking, also Atal ranking. So these all are activities are all associated with the quality enhancement and improvement, and that is what is our next 3 to 5 year priority. It is on the similar in parallel priority. We want to start skill-based courses. 6-month certificate courses, 1-year diploma and post-graduate diploma courses, so that our students can get direct placement, direct entrepreneurship. They can start, they can have their own business, because there are so many schemes launched by government, and they can get the benefit of all these schemes. So that is our priority. Our priority in the series, not first, second, third, but they all are in our top priority. As for the next 10 years are concerned, we want to start other courses, say medical courses, science courses, and we want to tie up with the international students, international bodies, so that the students from, say, SAARC countries or underdeveloping countries also come over here and they do their studies here. They learn something about India, in India, and in Gokul Global University, using the local resources available with us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So thank you, sir, so much. Thank you so much, sir, for giving such informative information about Gokul Global University, sir. It will help the students a lot, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for part of College Dunia, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and we are fortunate to receive you over here, and we will in future also be connected with you, so that Gokul Global University in true sense gets global reputation and global branding and global achievements. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.